In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could see the top 500 players here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right corner and just click on your profile icon all the way up in the top right. Open that up, and once you're inside, go ahead and select the tab up at the very top that says leaderboard. Open this up and it's going to bring up the top 500 players. You can scroll by page to page to see, if you are in here, or to see all the other players on here, or you could jump all the way over the end. And as you can see, this 21K dude right here is the top 500th player. Just keep in mind this does update pretty frequently. Now what's really cool about this though is you can also go ahead and change it from global to just friends to see all your friends leaderboards, and you can also change it to previous seasons too to see who is the top back then and who is the top now and compare stats that way. Now, if you find an individual player that you're trying to check out, you can actually open up the menu and hit view career. Just keep in mind you do have to be level 5 to do this, and some players may have their profile set to private, so you might not be able to see all their information. But that is it. That is how you can view the top 500 leaderboard here in Marvel Rivals. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.